Hello, welcome back. Guys, you like my new watch? Oh god damn. So you got my dad a bird just went into my dad's grill. Yeah, bird.
Put something flying from the car. I'm not running in the ditch for a bird.
It look nasty.
That scared the heck.
The tail keeps moving.
Is it from the wind?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not blowing that hard.
You think he's still alive? You can't survive. He dead. We no vet.
I wanna bury him.
Like, where are we gonna do it?
Like the on it.
Let's do it.
Go right beside Onyx.
Yeah.
I think we,
Don't burn
I'm
it.
gonna take me a shower.
she's burning. That's gonna be like the holy spot. That's gonna be like the wall house.
I'm outside.
See me, mommy. Can I sit down?
I'm gonna stay inside for the rest of the day. No, not me though. I'm gonna stay inside for only one
You got the bird out?
I'm about to get another.
Put your gloves on. I wanna record it. I wanna. Yes. Shut the door. Hey, put your glove in. Okay, guys, my dad is about to take the bird out right there. That little green and tan thing.
You tell Leah to stop recording.
I'm just gonna take it. Dad, I put it the other way. Oh my goodness. I gave it to the cats. Oh my goodness. My dad just took the bird out of his burrow. Oh my goodness. I'll go back inside. My dad just took
I'm dead.
And guys, that is all it for today. So I can't show my face right now